Alright, so I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 and more from GramFree from anywhere in the world, and you can make withdrawals from anywhere in the world without any hitches. You can see this is a payment proof. So wherever in the world, as long as you have a smartphone and a PC, I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 and more from GramFree. Making your withdrawals from GramFree, it's very easy. The 510 gram was withdrawn to a Bitcoin wallet, and you can use any of these payment methods to withdraw your money: Bitcoin, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Payoneer account, or a payee account. So it's free. You need to invest some time to earn this. Nothing good comes easy. It's not going to cost you anything to register. You just need to invest some time on the network. You know, it's a cryptocurrency. It's new in the market. So once you jump on this wagon this early, you have the potential to earn a lot when this cryptocurrency appreciates in value. So let's jump in and get started. Click the link below to get started. I'm going to show you step by step how to go about earning this kind of money on GramFree. So let's jump in and get started. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a GramFree account. It's an easy process to set up your GramFree account and start earning a lot of money. To replicate this process, I will start a new Gram account from scratch, and you will watch me build this account to where it begins to earn over $1,000 from the new account. Follow along with me with your new account, and let's get started to earning huge income from GramFree. Just come over here to sign up and click sign up. It's going to give you several options. You could use your Google account or use your Facebook account to create a GramFree account. So I'm going to be using my Google account to set it up. Alright, so right now you see I have an option to pick a Google account to set up my GramFree account. So I'll just use this one right here. You can see how easy it is. I was able to set up a GramFree account. Right now you have your account all set up. I'm going to show you how the GramFree system works. How do you earn grams? I'm going to show you all that you require to be successful on this platform. To earn grams, you can start with a free roll right here. You need to be signing in to your account like every hour. You will see the counter right here. It tells you when you can roll this. Click this roll again. So whenever you click this roll, it's like a dice. It gives you an opportunity to earn any of these payouts. So you get any number between 1 to 980. They give you 0.1 gram. If you roll between this range, you get 1 gram, and so forth like this. So that's how you earn. This is one of the methods you use to earn on GramFree. So just come into your account every 1 hour. You could actually sign this on your mobile phone. You can see people keep earning. People keep earning grams each time they roll this. So sign into your account consistently and keep rolling this. You see, as you keep rolling, you see the progress of your account up here. You can see the progress of your account up here. You earn like 5 to 10 grams for your referrals that are able to transition from level 1 to level 2. So next things, another way you could earn on GramFree is to come down here to lottery. I've watched a lot of people lose a lot of their grams with the lottery, and each time you play a lottery is like gambling. So you stand to lose the grams you've earned already. So be very careful about this. I'm going to leave a caveat here. When you're playing around lottery, it's at your own detriment. You get so, but you see here you have an opportunity to earn really big payouts. So with every risk comes opportunities, and with every opportunity comes very big risks. So you're free to gamble that, but you see if you are within, when you play and you win and you're within the first to 10th position with the lottery, you get to earn like 5,000 grams. That is really huge. So I'll show you one of the best methods you could actually use to earn. It's with the referrals, right? You need to refer like 5 to 10. I think at some point we're aligned to refer 10 people every day, but I think they have brought down that number from information I'm getting from new signups. They're telling me they can't refer more than 5 people. And so whatever works, you could test it out the platform and see if they allow you to sign up 10 people. But initially we're signing up 10 people every day. So imagine you're signing up 10 people every day and you're earning 5 grams each time they sign up and transition to level 2, you get 5 grams on the account. So and that's very good method. Just copy this your link, create a video like this, and you could use screen capture, you could use your phone to create videos. If you come down to videos, you see videos people are creating. You could create something to educate people about how to earn with the platform, and put your link and share it on different platforms where people that would love to make money are congregating. You could use make money groups, niche groups on Facebook. You could share your link and you will begin to see people sign up. Once you begin to sign up, you could track those signing up with your referral link right here. You see their progress. So it's important to even create a tutorial video to guide new sign-ups on how the system works. Just like this, you could share this video with them and show them, okay, this is how the system works, so that they can actually become successful. Because the more they become successful, you can see here with the progress, you become successful. So this is how the system works. Another way you could earn with this platform is through videos. If you click videos, when you sign up, you see a lot of videos here you should watch. There are videos you can watch for like a minute. When you watch the video, you earn like 0.1 gram, I guess. So you watch all the videos and keep you can log in here every day and check if you have new videos to watch. So you can also upload videos. Each time you upload a video, you stand a chance to earn like 5 gram. You can see I've uploaded this video, it's still under moderation. So your video will go through moderation, and once it's approved, you earn 5 gram for the video. And each time somebody views the video, you earn 0.1 gram. If you check here, your video needs to be like over 1 minute. There are certain reasons why your video might be approved or not approved. If you come here to frequently asked questions, you could scroll down here and see how the system works. Try to educate yourself here with their frequently asked questions. Like you see about the video here, why was my video rejected? You see the reason they tell the video is not hosted on YouTube. It means your video should be hosted on YouTube. Video not about GramFree. Your video lasts less than 1 or more than 2 minutes. So your video should be more than 1 minute and less than 2 minutes, guys. The name of your video is not full, and the video contains ads. The site administration reserves the right to reject videos without explaining the reasons. So you just can try out, create a video, create a very simple video, don't create anything complex, and upload it. It should be approved, you get. So once you follow the guideline, it's a very powerful way to earn. Like you're earning 5 gram. 5 gram is worth like I think $10. So imagine one of your videos that are approved, you earn $10. So imagine you keep uploading tutorial videos to guide people on how to use the platform. You keep earning each time your video gets approved and each time people view the video. Very powerful way to earn on GramFree. Another way to earn on GramFree is through their smart contract. You see, each time you sign into your smart contract, you earn some gram right here. Once you log into once you're signing up for the new account, you earn like 10 gram for signing up. I can also take this standard smart contract right here. I can take it and I earn this gram. You see, very easy. Always log in here every day and check. You see, in the next 23 hours, I can come here and sign in for this one again. Very importantly, you should be patient with this system, and you see it's once you reach your payout, you could come over here and withdraw. Once you have earned up to, you see here when you come to withdrawal section here, you will see how much you've earned. You see available balance. You can see this is a new account I just created, and you will see also here your pending balance. And this pending balance always as a result of your referrals still in the process, your referrals not completing their journey to level 2. Once they complete their journey to level 2, you earn the gram for referring them. So you can see once you've earned up to 500 gram, you can withdraw your gram to any of these accounts. You can see using Bitcoin, you can withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet through Mastercard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Payoneer, and Payee. So you can see 500 grams. If you are withdrawing your 500 grams, once you've reached 500 grams, you can see it's over $2 for a gram. So you're earning over $1,000 for your 500 gram. That's how easy it is. I love the fact that they allow you to withdraw. I've tested so many platforms that don't allow you to withdraw. You saw payment proofs and withdrawal proofs from one of the Grams accounts that we transferred money. If you need any support, from them you can get support to you in level 3. You see here, you need to be in level 3. Support is only available for level 3. But if you need any support and you need help, you can always contact me or drop a message in the comment section, and I will gladly help. Have a great time and keep smashing it.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.